In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in one ClickUp with a simple ClickUp hierarchy. By the end, you'll have a clear, focused view of everything on your plate, so you can spend less time shuffling tasks and more time getting things done. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. Think of ClickUp's hierarchy like this. Workspaces hold spaces. Spaces can have folders. Folders contain lists, and lists contain tasks. Today, we're zeroing in on one streamlined path that pulls your personal life together without juggling multiple views. Once ClickUp is open, go to My Tasks. This is your personal command center. My Tasks automatically gathers every task connected to you across spaces and lists, so you're not bouncing around different areas to figure out what needs attention. It's the single place where your priorities can come into focus no matter where those tasks live. Inside My Tasks, select Assigned to Me. This simple filter ensures you only see items you're responsible for. It removes the noise of tasks assigned to teammates or shared lists that don't require your action. If something still appears that isn't yours to handle, this view makes it easy to spot it and mentally move on, keeping your attention where it belongs. Next, choose the Today and Overdue view. This groups your work by time sensitivity, bringing the most urgent and time-bound items right to the top. Overdue tasks help you catch up quickly, while Today keeps you anchored to what truly matters now. If your list looks long, don't stress. Start with the items that have the biggest impact or the ones that unblock other work. This view is designed to support quick triage and confident decision-making. Finally, open your personal list. This is the home for your life admin, errands, health, home, finances, family, and anything else that supports your day-to-day. Keeping a dedicated personal list means your life tasks live alongside your work tasks, but they remain neatly organized. Within My Tasks, seeing items from your personal list mixed with Today and Overdue gives you a realistic picture of your day, so you're not surprised by a bill due date or a household chore that slips through the cracks. To keep this system working smoothly, review My Tasks at the start of each day, focus on Today and Overdue to set priorities fast, and treat your personal list as your trusted place for life tasks. With this simple ClickUp hierarchy, your personal life stays visible, manageable, and truly organized in one place.